Okay, so we are finally building something. Hi and welcome to another video. Let's see what we've been up to in the past few days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna climb the ladder and see where the concrete support above the window is in order to see how we are gonna do with the shutters. Okay, I'm a bit confused because I can't seem to find the support anywhere. I thought it was going to be here. So yeah, okay. Okay, so that's a bit of a confusion. I thought the concrete support was going to be right above the window up there, as it is over here on these windows, but I can't seem to find it. Okay, so I'm cleaning up here because we are going to remove these two rooms and build a toilet underneath here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move this pile so that we can demolish these two small rooms so that we can reclaim the bricks from those rooms as well. So I had something sharp poking my foot, and apparently it was a nail that went through my shoe. I guess the Adidas running work shoes aren't that well when it comes to safety. Okay, so the main hobby at the house during ancient times seems to have been eating corn while shooting shotgun, because I literally found thousands of these from up here. Okay, so if you guys want a word of advice when it comes to safety, it's always be standing on the actual roof that you're trying to demolish. Actually, I probably need to empty the room underneath because it's full of glass demijohns. So what we're about to do is to close off the window into the wine cellar. So our neighbor Beppe came over and did all of this in 15 minutes. How's it going down there?
Going fine.
Always doing fine. Okay, so what we've done is, this is a load-bearing wall. So we've made a cut into the bricks and we are going to put a steel beam inside and then open up a door underneath once it's set. As soon as Anna was back from Sweden, this was her. So instead of spending hours and hours putting these old bricks in, we decided to buy some new blocks instead. Okay, so we finally have a new entrance into this room, and next on the agenda is to block off this entrance with these blocks. Okay, so we've changed our minds regarding the sauna. We opened up a bit more so that we can have floor to ceiling glass instead. I'll insert a picture above, and over here we're going to do the cold bath because it's going to open up the room a bit more, make it a bit more useful. So now onwards to the time lapse of building this wall. Okay, so that was a complete fail. We started off with mortar that was too soft and an uneven floor, so we now evened out the floor and mixed a denser mortar, and we are going to start over. Okay, so that's going to be it in this episode. Hopefully we will be finishing the doors for the old garage in the next episode. Until next time, ciao!